Hey, Nicolette here. I'm a Google Workspace specialist focused on public sector for government. And today we will be discussing data locations, a feature that has helped Google Workspace receive FedRAMP High authorization. You might be wondering, well, what does that do for me? This means that Google provides a standard approach to security assessment, authorization, and continues monitoring for Google Workspace products and services. All federal and state agencies may have policies stating they must meet FedRAMP requirements at the appropriate risk level, and Google Workspace has high authorization. So let's talk about one feature that is included in our Enterprise Plus queue that has helped Google Workspace receive FedRAMP High. That feature is data locations. As an administrator, you can store your covered data in a specific geographic location by using a data region policy. Your geographic location options are the United States or Europe. It's important to note that users who do not have an Enterprise Plus SKU are not covered by data region policies, even if you apply a data region policy to their organizational unit. Many of us are required to keep our data in the States. So let's go ahead and set that up. We'll start in the Workspace admin console. We'll move your gaze to the left butter bar and find Accounts towards the bottom. To the left of Accounts, we'll go ahead and select that caret dropdown. In the caret dropdown, we'll find Account Settings. Here in our account settings, we are going to want to scroll down to where we see data locations. I'll go ahead and choose Data Regions here. And notice I can choose where I want my data to be stored off to the right. No preference, United States or Europe. What's nice is that I can actually choose the OU in which I would like that specific data to be located in. So over on the left, I'll go ahead and choose Back to the Future. Here in Back to the Future, I actually want to make sure that all that data resides in Europe. So I'll move your gaze back to the right. We'll choose Europe. And in the lower right, click that blue override button. Now all the data for only the Back to the Future OU will be moved to Europe. We can also view the move progress from one region to another in the reports. So here from the admin console, I'm going to go back to Home in the upper left. And we'll find the Reporting tab. Over on the right side, there's a small reporting tile. Once we click on Reports, we'll move our gaze to the left here, and we are going to find Apps Report and Data Regions. So under Apps Report, we'll click the caret dropdown, scroll a bit, and find Data Regions. We can also view the move progress from one region to another in Reports. So here from the admin console, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose the Reporting caret dropdown to the left. And under Reports, under Apps Report, I'll scroll down to Data Regions. Over to the right, you will see a summary card. In the summary card, you can view the overall progress of the data move for a specific domain. You can also view the move by region. So over to the right, I can see the Europe region. We move to the Back to the Future data over to Europe. Over to the right just a little bit more, if I was performing another migration, you would also see a tile for the United States. Note that it may take up to 24 to 48 hours after you set the data region policy before you can actually view the progress of the move here in Reports. Good news! Stay tuned for our next video on client-side encryption to learn how Google takes encryption to the next level by helping customers strengthen the confidentiality of their data while addressing a broad range of data sovereignty and compliance requirements. And be sure to check out the description below for helpful links and subscribe to the Google Workspace YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for joining us!